my name is Yana Sakhya. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Bechlor.pk. We launched Bechlor.pk in March 2021 with the humble vision of providing women across Pakistan an opportunity to earn an income from home. Through your love and support, we have grown immensely over the last 5 years and will be celebrating our 5th anniversary in March 2026. Over the last 5 years, we've grown from a small community of 10 sellers initially to over 25,000 sellers across Pakistan from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities as well as larger cities. We are now home to small sellers selling artisanal products to large-scale businesses with established production across Pakistan. Our sellers come from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities as well as larger metropolitan cities of Pakistan, all with a common goal and a passion to increase their income, to showcase their creativity and become a part of the formal e-commerce economy. Our customers flock to Bechlor to find interesting curated collections specifically for them by women like them.
Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Asad. I just want to share a few words about my experience that I had as a order management associate at Bechlor.pk. I worked here for almost 2 years and it was a great learning journey for me. Our team was extremely supportive. The work environment over here was very good, which helped me grow professionally and personally. Although I no longer work here, but I'm truly grateful for everything I learned and I wish all the very best to the entire team of Bechlor.pk.
My name is Almas Bhatt and I have been serving as a customer service representative and seller support officer at Bechlor.pk for the past 3 years. Bechlor.pk has grown exponentially and it's a testament to their passion. 5 years of trust, growth and success. Thanks to our inspiring CEO, Ma'am Yana Sakhya. Your guidance has made Bechlor.pk a second home for us. I am very grateful to be the part of the team. Cheers to many more years.
Assalamualaikum. I am Anoop Najib and I work at Bechlor.pk as their social media manager. I joined Bechlor.pk in 2022 and since then it has been more than just managing social media. It has been about building a voice for women across Pakistan who want to earn, grow and become financially independent. Over the years, I've seen this platform turn into a strong, supportive community that creates real opportunity. I'm truly proud to be a part of a journey that is not just about business, but about impact.
My name is Fatma Ihtisham and I am handling order management at Bechlor.pk. I would like to take a moment to express my sincere appreciation to the wonderful platform. Being a part of this organization has been a truly valuable experience for me. This platform provides a supportive environment where employees can learn, grow and improve their skills. I am grateful for the opportunities, guidance and encouragement that the management and my colleagues has given me. Their support has helped me become more confident and capable in my work. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, this is Ruqayya Nasser. I work as an e-commerce operator in Bechlor.pk. I started my journey at Bechlor.pk when I was a student 3 years back and grew while working in e-commerce operations. It was a great learning experience working with Faria and Ziana. I learned a lot of things from them and the team also felt like a family. Whenever we connect, it really felt like home. Thank you for being an amazing boss and amazing team.
तो बेचलो इज द ओनली प्लेटफॉर्म जिसमें हम लोग फ्री में जो है वो रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं, सेल कर सकते हैं और पब्लिसिटी के भी बहुत सारे अच्छे उसके एस्पेक्ट्स हैं. थैंक यू.
हर टीम, हर मैनेजमेंट, हर एवरी टीम मेंबर्स आर लाइक फैमिली. They support everything, they ask everything like about service. Their services is excellent, like delivery, every process according to sales, according to orders and everything.
मुझे किसी ने आइडिया दिया कि Bechlor.pk पे आप आएँ और माशाल्लाह इसकी टीम भी बहुत अच्छे सपोर्ट करती है. तो पहले मैंने किसी से पूछा, उन्होंने मुझे मशवरा भी दिया और जब मैं खुद गई इनके पास तो माशाल्लाह मुझे बहुत गाइड किया और मैं Bechlor पर जो ना बस भी सेल करती हूँ.
ओके, Bechlor के ऊपर जब से मैंने लिस्टेड किए हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स, आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग. आई डोंट हैव टू वरी कि मुझे एड्स कब रन करने हैं. आई डोंट हैव टू वरी अबाउट द कोरियर के कौन पिक करेगा, कौन ड्रॉप करेगा. मुझे अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को जो है वो नहीं करना पड़ता, एडवर्टाइज नहीं करना पड़ता. Bechlor.pk टेक्स केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
मैं इसके अलावा Bechlor के अलावा और भी प्लेटफॉर्म से काम करती हूँ, लेकिन माशाल्लाह Bechlor जो है ना वो सेलर्स को बहुत ही ज्यादा इज्जत देता है और इसके साथ काम करना ना बहुत आसान है. तो एक बात है, बहुत आसान है. डिलीवरीज बहुत आसान है. ये नहीं कि हमने कहीं जाना है, ये हमारे घर से पिक करवाते हैं. पेमेंट बहुत इजीली आ जाती है.
You come, you have world open for you. If you have a tiny idea in your mind, make a plan, do work hard on that idea. One day it will get a giraffe like or a dinosaur like trend.
मैं ये एडवाइस देना चाहूँगी उनको कि वो ज़रूर अपने आइडिया को लेके आगे बढ़ें, उसको प्रैक्टिकल स्टेज पे लेके जाएं। उनमें पैशन है, उनमें स्किल है, तो वो यकीनन सक्सेसफुल होंगे इसमें, क्योंकि कोई भी स्टार्टअप है या बिजनेस है वो हार्ड वर्क मांगता है। तो जब